Got the infraction out. Just want to hoon around real quick. Got that Gen 6800 milliamp 100C. Want to check a little, not really a speed test, but I'm gonna do a speed test. I just want to see how it hold up, and I'm gonna drift around a little bit. Let's get into it. Yo, this schoolyard got all kinds of rocks and stuff all in it. Whoa, I barely stopped it in time. Alright, start over. This is the only speed pass I'm gonna do. Yeah, she got a lot more in her. I'm gonna check that speed, then I'm gonna just hoon around. That was 74 miles an hour, and this is all factory. And see, they say 80 miles an hour out the box, and I can believe it. I got 74 just then, and if I pushed it, I could have got a lot more. Let's just hoon around real quick. She gonna get real hot real quick me doing this. Yo, this thing is a beast. Oh, let me take my GNS off before I lose it. Be right back. But I want to check that speed, see what that was while I was just doing all that. See what I got, how fast I was moving. 66 miles an hour hooning around. This is really a street bash. This thing is a monster. Oh yeah, she overheated. Can't blame her on that one. This thing is a beast. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. and I'm out.